Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the emoji PNG or sticker and the clip you want to edit. This ensures both assets are ready. Next, tap and drag the emoji layer above the main video on the timeline so it overlays correctly. Once done, trim or split the emoji layer to match the exact duration of the underlying clip. This avoids unwanted frames. Make sure the emoji has transparency or is converted to sticker format, so background removal tools can work effectively in the next steps. Now you tap the emoji layer and open Remove Background or Chroma key, depending on Capcut version. This auto-detects and removes uniform backgrounds. You should adjust intensity, threshold, and edge smoothing to fine-tune what gets removed and what remains. Small changes prevent jagged edges. If any stray pixels or halos remain, use the mask or eraser tool to manually refine the outline. Once you're satisfied, apply feathering or edge blur to blend the emoji smoothly into the scene so it looks natural. To finish, play the sequence and make final tweaks to position, scale, and rotation so the emoji sits naturally in the frame. These small adjustments affect realism a lot. Once satisfied, reduce opacity or try blend modes to match lighting and color. This helps the emoji look part of the scene. When exporting, choose a format that supports transparency, like PNG sequence or WebM if you need a transparent output. If artifacts persist, rerun background removal with slightly different settings as a quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.